To get started in supporting the Center for Dairy Excellence Foundation on Amazon Smile, you first need to register on Amazon's website. Start by going to smile.amazon.com. You'll need to sign in with your Amazon account or create a new account. You can do either by clicking the Sign In link at the top of the screen. If you already have an Amazon account, log in now. If not, click on Create Your Amazon Account and do that first. Now that you're logged in on Amazon Smile, you can choose the Center for Dairy Excellence Foundation by searching our name in the search bar. To choose our organization, pick Select. If you're going to be shopping online, you have to go always to smile.amazon.com first. We'll show you how to set this up on your mobile device in just a minute. For now, click that you understand and click Start Shopping. You're now supporting the Center for Dairy Excellence Foundation anytime you shop at Amazon Smile. Next, we'll show you how to set this up in the Amazon app on your mobile device. Now that you've set up Amazon Smile on your computer, you can now activate it on your mobile device. If you haven't done so already, download the Amazon Shopping app to your mobile phone. Open the app, and if you're not already, sign in. Now that you're logged in, click the 3 lines icon in the lower right corner and go to Settings. You're looking for Amazon Smile, and it's going to prompt you to turn on Amazon Smile on your device. Follow the prompts to continue. You can choose to enable notifications and make sure you complete the process by clicking Turn on Amazon Smile. It's going to ask you to recommit yourself to Amazon Smile every couple months, but you're now ready to start shopping in your Amazon app and automatically donate to the Center for Dairy Excellence Foundation.